I'm Josh May, founder and president of Autonomous Flight Technologies. We now offer a new tool on the cutting edge of the mapping and surveying industry. Drone technology has opened new options for civil engineers to construct accurate maps in a fraction of the time as that of traditional methods with boots on the ground and measurements using lasers. Among the many industries benefiting from advances in drone technology, surveying is seeing one of the most dramatic changes. We have been working in the UAV mapping and surveying since its inception. While the maps made with the drones are accurate, pinning them onto a spatial reference still requires setting ground control points. This is a ground control point, specifically designed for the UAV market. Working with the Australian-based company Propeller, we have overcome the need for setting GCPs manually. These GPS and RTK-enabled tools solve the problem of requiring a third-party survey team. Called error points, the two-tone squares are laid onto a parcel that will be mapped and surveyed. As soon as they are on the ground, they start recording their position and take new readings several times a minute. By being stationary for at least an hour, the average of the measurements will be accurate to within a centimeter of their location on the Earth. The data can then be imported on any spatial reference desired, most commonly state plane. The accuracy has been demonstrated to be more precise than any traditional land-based or aerial survey. Comparison studies have proven drone-based surveys with the aid of error points have a global accuracy of within 2 centimeters on the X and Y and 5 centimeters on the Z axis, as well as an internal accuracy of less than 1 centimeter. Our initial trials had a point variance of no more than a millimeter. Once the data is collected from the error points and the drone data is processed, maps in several formats and file outputs can be created and delivered to the client within 24 hours, a turnaround time never before available in the industry. With this technology, AFT provides aggregate industries, construction industries, engineering industries, and more with extremely accurate maps. The cloud-based software we provide with our maps hosts a multitude of real-time measurements. From volume, cutouts, grades, and slopes, to area, surface area, lengths, and surface lengths, the software is unmatched with anything in the industry to date. If you prefer to use your own software, such as CAD-based platforms, we can export our work in common formats such as DXF files, DEM files, TIFF files, and many more. With error points, Autonomous Flight Technologies is changing the game. Contact us to see how we can help you stay ahead of today's competition with the technology of tomorrow.